Okay. Next question. We have completed this question, right? Yes, this one. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Please open up. C will be printed. Let me check it out. I do not have my value. X value is equal to 2. Okay, it is going inside. X value is equal to 2. Is equal to 1. Is it equal to 1? No, condition fails. So what will happen? It comes to else part and here it will be printed. Correct? Even yes. So it is also easy, right? Nothing special in this. It's a very simple one. Correct? Okay. This one. Check it out this. 25th question. Integer a comma b comma c. Set a is equal to 2. B is equal to 12. You know what is this operator is? Shift right operator. What will happen if I use shift right operator? It will do ones complement. Anybody know what is ones complement? Anybody know what is ones complement? Shift left. I'm sorry. Minus 2. I do not have an option called minus 2. My options are 24. Is it correct? $48. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see it.
Oh.
Print.
Huh.
2. Left shift. What is the answer? 12. Eight 8192. Sorry. 12. Right shift. A. 2. 48. 2 to the power 12 to the power of 12. 2. Exactly correct. So what I have to do is the power value I have to keep it as that. Okay. And what I want to do is how many ever value I'm giving that has to be powered. Okay. Into 2. So that is my answer. Okay. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So 12 4s are my answer is 48. It's very simple. Okay, whatever value they are giving, that value has to be given to a power of 2. That's all. Okay, that is actually the formula. Okay. Okay. Shall we move on to the next question? You have completed this. Yeah. Next to this question. What will be the option? What will be the answer for this? Shall we calculate this? So see here, the n value is, what is my n value? 5. So it is coming inside. My read value is equal to 5. So 1, 2, less than or equal to 5. So 5 rows, correct? And this is J, 1 to I. So 1 less than or equal to my 1. So first time it will print 1. Again it goes back to J, it becomes 2, condition false. So it comes out, it goes to the new line. Again it goes, it will increment my 2. So first time my I value is 1, less than 2, condition true. So it will print my, what value actually I am printing? I. So what it will print? 2. 2. Second time it will become 3. So 3 times it will print 3. Correct? Then 4, 4, 5, 5. Like that. Am I right? Yes or no? So what will be my answer? Option D. Correct? If you want, let me print it out and show it to you. N is equal to 5 for I in range 0 to 1 to 6. Okay. I want 5 rows. So let me start from 1. For J in range 1 to I plus 1. Okay. Then only it will go up to I. Okay. If this condition is true, what I'm going to do? Print my I value. Comma in equal to star. That's all. So that's what the code is. Correct? Any doubts here? Guys, if you are not opening up your mouth, how can I move on for the next question? Am I going very fast? You want me to go slow? Can I maintain the same speed? Or you want me to explain anything? Do you want me to trace anything? Here. Okay. Shall we move on for the next question? Yes? Next question. Okay. Yes. What will be the answer for this question?
K to 0 and representing 2. Some consistent. K to 0. Okay. Next one is K to 2.
My God, someone has muted me. I do. Sorry. I'll explain it again. See here, my value is 2 less than 6. Okay, first time 1 less than 6. Condition true. Okay, 1 less than 6 condition true. So it is coming inside. So what will happen? My I value starting range is 1. So less than I value. That's what the less than or equal to my I. Till that I want to travel. Okay. So what will happen is so I value is 1. What is my I value is 1. So which is nothing but 1. Correct? So 1 less than or equal to 1, condition 2. So first time it is printing 1 and my j will become 2. 2 less than or equal to 1. Now condition false. It comes out. Again it goes to a new line and my I will be incremented to 2. Again what will happen? What is my I value? 2. Yeah, again starts from 1 less than 2 condition true, 2 less than or equal to 2 condition true. So what will happen? It will print 2 times 2. Correct? Again, my j will become 3 condition fail. So it goes and increments my I. Correct? So again, what will happen? My I will become 3. Correct? So what will happen now? 3, 3, 3. Again my I will become 4. Similar to that, and it goes on. Correct? You understand now? Any doubts? Okay. Any other doubts in that question? Any doubts? Okay. So I'll give you 2 minutes. If not, I'll explain this question. Hi Ma, can I have your introduction?
I'm from the National University College of from Visakhapatnam. I have interest in electronics and
Hey, అది వచ్చి పో. అది వచ్చి పో.
intervention
అది
in
వచ్చి పో.
hardware along with the software. My branch is
ఎలా
the
వచ్చి పో.
hardware part. We have equally important the software too. That's why I learned
ఇంకేవి?
some core-related languages like Verilog, HTML, and Python also. I am more interested to do projects, ma'am. That's why I did multiple projects other than my academic project.
Yes. So I'll explain. Many people are saying it is 7 and some people are saying it is 9. So first, 0 less than 5. Correct? So first condition is true. So it is coming inside 0 less than 3. So it is coming again here. What is my I value? What is my I value? First time it is 0. What is my J value? 0. So my sum value is first time it is 0. And after that come here, right? Your voice is not audible in between. Am I audible now? Am I audible? Please to respond. This my voice is clearly audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first step, my sum value is first time it is 0 and now it is coming inside. This loop is also inside my loop only, correct? So 0 less than 2 condition true, correct? Condition true. And what is my sum value now? Again my 0. And what is my k value now? 0. Okay. So my sum value is now 0. Okay. And now again it goes back to my k value. What is my k value now? K value will become 1. So again it comes back. So my sum value will become 1 now. Again my k value will become 2. 2 less than 2 condition. What will happen to my condition? Condition fails. So my sum will be iterated first time with 1. So with this it is going back here. Correct? So far, any doubt in this question, k value? And now it is going back to j value. My j value will become 1. Correct? Already my sum is equal to I plus j. I'm not iterating my value. And what will happen? Again, my j will become 1. 0 plus 1. My j value is, sum value is now also 1. I didn't iterate it. Okay? I am updating the value. Again, it goes back. It becomes 2. Correct? So what will happen? My j will become 1. Again it goes back. What will happen? It comes back here. Again my I is becoming 2. And here my sum will become 2. Okay? And here it comes. Again my sum value is equal to sum plus. What is my value here? First time it is 1. So again it becomes 2. You understand how it is iterating? We'll see this in a code. Okay. So my answer will be what? 7 or 9? We'll check it out. Okay. What is my answer? Do I have any sum is equal to 0? I'm just analyzing my sum equal to 0. Okay. I have a value here for I in range 0 to 5. Correct? Or j in range. What is my answer? 0 to 3. Correct? And sum is equal to I plus j. Okay. And here itself for k in range 0 to 2. 0 to 2. And here sum is equal to sum plus k. Correct? So finally, what is my sum value? Print k. Sorry. Print sum. We'll trace the code here. Okay. So what will happen here? First time I. Correct? So 0. Condition true. So it comes here. This value is also 0. And here the value is, what will happen? Here also it is 0. And here it is going. It is 0. And first time it is 0. And second time it will become 1. Correct? Again it goes back to j loop. So j will become 1. What will happen now? Sum is equal to 0 plus 1. My answer is 1 only. Okay, my sum value is 1. Again it comes back. J, again it is iterated. So first time it is 0, second time it is 1. So what will happen here? Sum is equal to sum plus k. First time it is 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So what it is actually returning here? Let me write it here. Okay, it will return from this loop. It is going to return 2 here. Already it is 1, so it is again it is returning 2. And here what will happen? My j will become 2. Again it comes, sum is equal to I plus j. What is my I value? 0. 0 plus 2, it is 2. So again it is coming. So what will happen now? First time 2 plus 0 and 2 plus 1. So my answer is 3. So again it goes back. It becomes 4. Condition fails. Again it goes and it will return 1. So how it can be 9 and how it can be 7? First iteration it is giving 3. Second iteration, yes, sum is equal to I plus j. I plus j only. That's what they have given here, right? Sum is equal to I plus j. 1 to 0 to 6. 0 to 3. So 0 less than 4 it has to take, right? So automatically it goes less than 4. So first iteration my value is what? 3. Second iteration what will be my value? It will be more, right? Am I right? So all the iteration it has to travel. First iteration, let me write. I'm getting 3. What will be the iteration for second? My I will become 1. So 1 plus 0, so it is 1. So my sum value is 1. So it comes here 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1, so it becomes 2. So it goes, my sum value is equal to what? 0 plus 1. So 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. So 2 will be coming here. So 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. Again it goes. What will happen? My I is 1. 1 plus 2 it will be, right? Am I right? So it will return 3 there. So here it will become 3 plus 1, 4. So again it goes. You understand? My iteration is actually moving again and again. So my value is 7. Okay, you want me to explain? Okay, we'll do it again. No issues. It is like interloop structure, ma. Okay, I'll do it again. No issues. Okay, so first it is coming here. My I value, what will happen? 0. And here 0. And here what will happen? Sum is equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Okay. And here what will happen? What will happen here? 0. My k value will become 0. Correct? So it is coming here. What is my sum value updated? First time it is 0. Here it is 0 plus 0. So 0 plus what is my k value? It is 0. So my answer is 0. So first iteration, everybody is giving me the value called 0. Any doubts here? Any doubts? No. Again, it is going back to which loop? This loop. Once this loop fails, then only it goes to J loop, right? So here it is coming. My k will become what? 1. So 0 plus 1, what is my answer? 1. Correct? So again it becomes 2. 2 less than 2, condition fails. So it comes back and here what will happen? It will become 1. See, I'm not giving sum is equal to sum plus I plus j. Okay, then it will be different. You understand? I'm not updating the value. I'm just updating the value. I'm not deleting it and giving a new value. That is my scenario. Okay. So what I'm doing here, sum is equal to 0 plus 1. So my value will become 1. So once this is updated, it will come to this line again, right? So what will happen? Again my k will become 0 and it is coming. Now what is my sum value? 1. So 1 plus 0, my answer is first time 1. Again what will happen? It become 1. So 1 plus 1, my answer is what? 2. Correct? So again it goes back to this loop. What is my value here? 2. So what will happen? Sum is equal to I plus j. What is my I value? 0. What is my j value? 2. So my answer is 2. So with new sum for 2, it is again coming back here. So what will happen? First time it is 2 plus 0 and next time it is 2 plus 1. What is my iterated value of sum now? It is 3. Again it goes back, it becomes 3 condition fail. So in a first iteration, my sum value is equal to 3. Correct? First sum is equal to 3. Any doubts? Any doubts? And second, at last, my I will become 1. Again it comes back. What is my sum value will become? 1 plus 0. So my sum value is now 1. You understand? So though it is 3, again it has been updated to what? 1. So at the 5th iteration, what was my value? That will be my value. Okay, so I'll go, my sum is equal to 4. Okay, so sum is equal to 4. 4 plus, and why I'm going every loop, my value is getting changed. So if I resembles my value of 4th iteration, that is my answer. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let me take my sum value as 4. So 4 plus 0, so it is 4. So sum is equal to sum plus what will happen here? First time it is 4 plus 0. Then 4 plus 1. So my answer is what? 5. Correct? Again it goes back here. So what will happen? Sum is equal to 4 plus 1. Updated. So 4 plus 1 it is 5. So 5 will come. 5 plus 1 it becomes 6. Again it goes. What will happen? It becomes 2. So 4 plus 2 what will happen? It becomes 6. So 6 will come here. 6 plus 1 it becomes 7. Again it goes 3 less than condition failed. So it comes out. So last iterated value only is my answer. You understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Okay. So next question, shall we move? This is easy question. Anybody tell me the answer? Tell me the answer. B. Minus 5, 5. Very good. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. So what is my x value? X minus 5. So 3 minus 5. What is my answer? Minus 2. So what is my y value? Minus 2 plus 5 plus 2. So what will happen? My y value will become 5. Minus plus 2 will be cancelled. So I will have 5. So what is my x value? Minus 2, minus 3. My answer is minus 5. Correct? Simple, right? This question. Tell me what will be the answer for this. I need to concatenate the numbers, right? So what I'm going to do is, since it is a Python, I can directly convert that as a string and concatenate. So str of n plus str of n1 plus str of n2. Am I right? So if I print my yes, what will happen? I'm giving 192. Am I getting all the values like 192, 384, 576? So far, any doubt? So far, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So next, what I'm going to do is, I want to check whether I have all the numbers starting from 1 to 9. Correct? So let me have my list containing the value. Okay. So this is my list of values. I got it. Okay. Now, I'm going to have one more list, an empty list. Now what I'm going to do is, you understand what I have done? So I have traveled and I have entered into a looping statement and I have displayed all the values. Okay, 1, 9, 2, 3, 8, 4, 5, 7, 6. I have added inside my 1 by 1 character in my list by converting that into an integer type. And I have sorted that value and I have printed it. So just for your showcase, okay, if L equal to L1, okay, it will print 2, correct? Am I right? So print fascinating number. Or else what I can do is, imagine like flag is equal to L equal to L1. Okay, it will print 2. If of 2, then fascinating number, else not a fascinating number. I'm just printing true or false. Okay. L, yes. Okay. So it will print both a fascinating number or not. Okay. So both the values contain the same. So I'm just comparing whether it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 9. Okay. So I guess 327 is also a fascinating number. So it is 327654981. Okay. Clear? Any doubts here? 198. So it is not a fascinating number. What actually missing? 2 is actually missing and I have combination of values. Correct? Any doubts here? Any doubts? In Java also, I have an option of converting my value into string. Okay. So you can directly convert that into string. Directly you can enter into a looping statement, take one by one value by using caret statement. And you can convert that into numbers and you can compare. Java and Python similarly, you have same options. But in C, we do not have that option. So what I will do is, I need to take a count. Okay. So can I do that one in C language? Yes, or you will try. If you say yes, I will continue in C. If not, I will move on to the next question. Okay. Okay. I'll tell you the logic, what you will do it in fascinating number. Okay. This is also easy. Okay. So what I have to do is, I want to write one function. Let me start it. Okay. Let me have it as count. Count of in n. Okay. In C is equal to 0. I'm just going to have this condition while n greater than 0. This is just to count my values and just having it. Okay. And okay. And now let me have my value. N is equal to 8. Okay. N is equal to value I need it. Okay. What are the values I need? Okay. I need my N1 and I need my N2 and I need my sum. Okay. மூணு பேரும் வெளியில போறீங்களா இல்லையா? Okay. Scanf, I'm getting my value. Comma, ampersand n. Okay, I'm getting this value. N1 is equal to what I have to do? N into 2 and N2 is equal to n into 3. I got the value. And now what I have to do? I need my concatenation value. Correct. So let it be concat. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, this is the most important thing. You have to learn it here. Okay. Okay.
Of course.
ఇప్పుడు సెల్ ఎందుకు మీకు ఇలా వాడతారు
లేదు ఇంకో అర్ధ గంట అయితే అయిపోతాయి ట్రైనింగ్ అటెండెన్స్
ట్రైనింగ్.
So I'm concatenating the value with first 0. Okay. So now what do I want to do is, I want to add my first value. So concat is equal to, what I'm going to do is concat plus my number. Okay. First I have done this. And now what I'm going to do is concat equal to concat into into power of, okay, 10 comma count of, this is my value, count is my function, right? N1, okay, plus N1, okay. For this, I need my math function to be included, so I'll include my math function, and then I'll teach you what actually I'm doing here. Okay, I'm concatenating the values. Since I do not have any inbuilt functions in maths, I'm just in C language, I'm just doing my value. Okay. Okay. And now uncat equal to uncat into power of 10 comma count of n2 plus n2. Okay, so let me print that value. Print as percentage e comma concatenated value. I'm just concatenating and showing it to you. No. Okay, I'm just giving 192. What mistake I have done?
వచ్చిన
Yes,
చిత్తోడు
ma. Yes. What is your doubt? Count is my function, right? Math function I have, count is my function. Let me print this one and check it out. 192 into power of 10 comma count of n1. Okay, it is not returning. I'm sorry. I didn't return the function here. That is a mistake it is actually doing. Return C. It's a mistake. Okay, I got it. Plus n1. Okay, I will get my value. 192 I will get 192, 384, 576. This is the way that you can concatenate all the values. Okay? So any doubts? Do you want me to explain this? So can I explain this code, right? Okay. So let me explain it. What I have to do is, okay, see here, what I'm having is, I have a count function. Okay, this count function is nothing but it will return how many ever value it contains. For example, if I throw 192, it will give how many digits I have? 3. Okay, if I give 384, how many digits I have? 3. 576, how many digits I have? 3. The simple thing is, if I want to concatenate 192 plus 376, what I have to do? I want to increment my digit position. Am I right? So what I can do? So first, how many ever digit I want to add, that many zeros I will add first. Am I right? Yes or no? So 192 digits will be added. Plus in that position I can add 376. Is it correct? This is actually I'm doing there. Okay. So let me explain this. Okay, this will give me my count. First time I'm taking my one value as what I do. I'm multiplying and storing it in N1. And here multiplying and storing it in N2. And now what I'm doing is, I'm concatenated value. First I have added as 0. And here what I have done? Concatenated value 0 plus 192. So I have added 192 to my concatenated value. Now what will happen here? 192 into power of 10 to the power, comma, I'm just calling this function. So automatically, what is my N1? 376, correct? So 10, comma, power of, I'm taking my digit. How many digits I wanted, that many count it will give. So 10 to the power of 3 means what is my answer? So 376 will be thrown here. My count will return what? 3. So here what will come? It will do 10 to the power of 3. If it do 10 to the power of 3, what is my answer? 1000, correct? So 192 into 1000 plus my N1. What is my N1? 376. So 1,92,000 plus 376, which is nothing but 1,92,376. I have added 384 I mean. Again what will come? My answer is 576. Same, my data was updated, right? So 19384 plus into power of what I'm actually sending here? 576. So it will give me return back 3. So 192,384 into 1000. Okay. So 3 zeros will be added. So in that 3 zeros, my value 576 is added. Okay. Do you want this code? Okay. So I have posted this code. Check it out. Move, write a code. This was asked in Accenture 2018. Yes. Yes, Ramesh. A fascinating number should contains the unique values 1 to 9. If one value repeated also, then it is not a fascinating number. Okay, and it should contain the number 1 to 9. Okay. Write a program to move all the negative number of an array to one side of the array. Okay. Write a program to move all the negative numbers to one side of the array. It is the easy question. Okay, the time limit given for this question is only 10 minutes. Okay, I'll give you. Let me give you an input and output also. My input is -1, comma 1, comma 3, comma 2, comma -7, comma -5, comma 11, comma 6. Okay, this is my input, my output. What will be my output? One, 3. You do not want to arrange the values in all. You want to just left shift the values what you contain in the form of -1. I guess 11 will come here. Okay. That's all. Can you do this? Any doubts in this question? Can you try or you want me to try? Shift all your values, all your negative values to your left side. Am I right? Can you try? Or you want me to do? Please do respond. We'll try. Okay. I'll give you exactly 7 minutes. If not, I will do it. Yes, one side means in left corner only you have to remove. You have to put it on. It is correct only. No need to concatenate. You want to shift it inside the Rohit, you want to shift it inside the same array. You don't want to concatenate it. Ramesh, if you sort it, your answer will be -7, -5, -1. Correct? So -7 is the least value, and then it will become -1, and then it will become -1. It is not sorting. And all the values will come in this order. Okay? Can I do the question? Can I do it? Yes, or you need still more time? We can still optimize, ma'am. Give us some time. Okay. Okay, Meghna, I'll give you. Very good. One has completed the code, Ramesh. Good. This is a kind of concatenation, right? Getting all the values upstairs and doing it. Fascinating number. Completed your fascinating number. This is correct for fascinating number. Hmm, greater than what? I do not understand. Just check concurrent element not being 0. Check how it can be. If I have duplicate numbers, then it is also greater than 1. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but
It-
for duplicates, it should not be a fascinating number, no, ma'am.
Pardon, I didn't
Should
get you.
contain fascinating number should contain only unique numbers, no, ma'am.
Yes. That's what,
In
where you're
the
checking the unique numbers. What you are doing it here. I understand that you
I'm
have
checking the count
converted
of
that.
each element.
Okay. Oh, count. So, okay.
Ma'am, if count is greater than 1 or if any element is 0, then it is not a fascinating
Imagine
number.
you have 9 numbers. Okay.
Okay.
And my count will be greater than 1. Or any one of my value is 0. For example, 190378576. My 2 is missing there, right? Instead of 2, I have 0. So what will happen now? I need 1 to 9 values alone has to be present, right?
Okay, got it, ma'am.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. You can correct that one, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Tushar. Okay. Your answer is I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than 0, I plus plus. You are displaying value. Very good. Your answer is correct. Good. Meghna. Good. Very good. So can I give my own answer? I'm not going to use any spaces. Can I give my answer? Can I give my answer? Okay. I'm going to have my function here. Okay. Okay, let me have my function. Yes, I'm muted. Just a minute. Let me complete the question and then I'll. Excuse me. Okay. What was the value I gave it? 1 minus 1 minus 3. Some mistake I have done. Let me check it out. Temp is equal to 0 to a in range of n, and I'm traveling into 0 to for k in range. Okay, every time my k value will be getting changed. Okay, and now as of now it's just creating an empty array to store. Temp is just an empty array for storing a value. Okay, and here what I have done is traveling inside for I in range of n, and I'm checking whether my a of I is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and if this condition is correct, what I'm doing is temp of j is equal to a of every time I'm incrementing my j value to 1, 2 and 3 and taking the values and inserting it. Okay, the value which is greater than, which is not my minus value. Okay, so here what I'm doing it here, j is equal to n or j is equal to 0. If my j value reaches my n, okay, okay, if my j value reaches my n, then I have to okay,
అది నిన్న హాస్టల్కి వెళ్ళాక అది 5G వైఫై
okay,
ఎట్లా వస్తుంది తెలుసా? 4 కాదు 4K పెట్టాం. 4 ఎంత కూడా పాస్ అవ్వకుండా, అదే రీలోడ్ అవ్వకుండా
okay. So minus 1, minus 3, minus 2. I didn't use any extra spaces. I have just used a temporary variable just for shifting. Okay, I do not have a permanent place for it. Just for a shifting I have used it. I didn't use any another loop also. Correct? So what will happen here? First time all the values will be incremented. Non-negative values will be stored in my temp. And my j is equal to 0 or my j, if I have only one value, okay, then automatically my function will come out intimating there is no negative value. Okay, and if it contains a negative value, it is coming here less than 0. It comes here and it is adding my values and incrementing it. See here, in a same segment I have done both. Positive value, negative value, and I've just ranged my values and displaying the value. That's all, right? Any value you can give. It's your choice. Okay, for example, I do not have negative values. No issues will happen there. Correct? If I have all positive values, in between if I have positive values, 2, 4, minus 1, minus 3. I'm not arranging the values. I'm just shifting my values from one place to another place. Do you want me to do this code in C or Java?
Yes, ma'am, in Java.
Okay. Same concept only. There is no different concept here. Can you try it or you want me to do it? Can you apply the same logic? Do you want this code? In Python? Do you want this code? I posted this code and let me change that into Java and do it. Okay, and now let me do it with your concepts. So for this, I do not want to use a built-in function. I'm going to use a built-in array function. Okay, so let me have that one. Arrays. Okay, so I'm going to have this one, and I'm going to create a static class function, static void, same, let me have it, same function, element of, in that whatever I have passed, here also I'm going to pass my array, okay, and I'm going to pass my n, okay. So same function only I'm going to give. I'm going to create a temporary array equal to n, okay. So I have created same value, and now let me have my j value as 0. Whatever I have done there, I am going to do it here also. Okay, let me travel inside my I value, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, I'm going to enter inside if array of I greater than or equal to 0, temp of j plus plus equal to array of I. Okay, and you understand what I have done here, right? Similarly, what I'm going to do is, this is my looping statement for creating my posit values. And here, same function, let me copy it. What I have to do? Less than 0, j plus plus, this value. Correct? And inside this, I have missed one thing. Can anybody tell me what I have missed? Before less than 0, what I have to check? If my condition doesn't contain my looping statement, okay, which means I do not have any value rather than positive, I have to return, right? I forget to check that one. Okay, so now I have checked with my positive value. Now I have checked with my negative values, and now I want to add all the values, right? So in I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, a of I equal to temp of I. So now I'm converting all the values, whatever I have updated, that is being converted. Okay, that's all my function there. And here what I have to do? I'm directly assigning my values. Okay, if you want, you can assign the values together. Okay, you can get the value from the user and do it. I'm just assigning the value. Okay, this is my value. Int n is equal to a dot length. Only length is enough. So I'm going to call the function element, and I'm going to pass the array and my n. So the updated value, I'm going to print it out here. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Correct? And system.out.println, instead of that, let me use the same value to print a of That's all. So let me print it here itself. That's all. Silly mistake. Python. I used star symbol there. Illegal start of expression. Print I is equal to 0. I forget my semicolon. Same mistake I have done here also.
Helicopter man பண்ணுச்சு பாத்தி அடிச்சு
Silly mistakes. While I'm typing, I will get these kinds of mistakes. So that's it. 1, 7, 11, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Okay. Same logic only I have applied here as well. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Do you need this code? Do you need this code? Okay. So yes, I have given this code. So 15 minutes break, okay, because it's 2 hours. So after 2 hours, we'll go for 15 minutes break and then we'll come back for the next 2 hours. Okay? Go for a break and come back.
And
let me check your approach. Public static void means strings -3 to -5. Okay. Good. I didn't say like you can't do this way. That is my way of doing the code. Okay. I do not want to waste an extra memory space for the complexity, so I have done it. Your code is extremely fine. Yes, you can do it in that way also. Okay. Okay. Next, do you want me to go on with your one more coding question, or we will go for pseudocodes? What is your choice? We'll go for one more question or pseudocode? Coding? Pseudocodes. One more question. Final decision. The next message which is coming, I'm going to do that one. Pseudocode or coding question? Question. Coding. Okay. See you at third. Coding. Coding is giving a major thing. So I'll go on with coding question. Okay. This is also from Capgemini for 6.8 lakh package. And this is a question from Accenture in 2019. Okay. 6.8 lakh power programmer. Okay. This question is a medium level question. The time limit given for this question is 20 minutes. Let me share the screen. Is my screen is visible to everyone? This is the last question and then we will move on to the pseudocodes. Okay. Rearrange the array by shifting middle element to start and end alternatively. Okay. I'll repeat it again. Rearrange the elements. Rearrange the elements. Rearrange the arrays. Sorry. Array by shifting middle element to start and end alternatively. Okay, that is my question. Rearrange the array by shifting middle element to start and end alternatively. Okay. Middle level question, and this was the question updated by 2021 also. Okay, off campus they have asked this question. Okay, let me give my input. My input are 2, 8, 5, 9, 10. Okay. Output is 9, 5, 2, 10, 8. Okay. This is my input as well as this is my output. Tell me how my input is that and how my output is this. I need to shift my middle element. What is my middle element? Anybody can tell me what is my middle? Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible? Is my voice is audible? Okay. What is my first step? I want to find my middle element. Middle element, right? So what is my middle element? 5. Can I take my middle element as 5? Yes or no? Okay. And now, so what I'm going to do is, middle element 5 is shifted to the front of the array. First time I want to shift it first and end alternatively, correct? So if I shift my first middle element to the first, so let me start it like step 1, middle element at first. So what will be my output after this? 5, 2, 8, 9, 10. Am I right? This is my step 1. And step 2, what is my middle element? Every time I want to find my middle element. Now what is my middle element? 8. So now what I have to do? I want to shift my middle element to end, correct? So what will be my output here? Can I write it like 5, 2, 9, 10, 8? Is it correct? Yes? And now what? Next step. Tell me what is my middle element? What is my middle element? Okay. What is my middle element? 9. And now what is my answer? I want to shift it at first. So 9, 5, 2, 10, 8. Correct? So that is my output, right? Why they are stopping at here? I got my first element as my middle element, so my iteration stops here. Okay? You understand? So this is a most important question. Okay? So till I'm finding my first element as my middle element, I will stop my operation. You understand? Any doubts? Sorry, I was, oh my god, why I muted? Can you do it or you want me to do it? Can I give a time for you? If my screen is visible, whatever I'm typing, you can able to see that, right? Okay. I'll give exactly 7 minutes, okay? Guys, in meanwhile, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. If you do not understand this question, you can ask me. I am ready to give you the explanation again. Do you want me to explain it again? Guys, you can ask me if you want me to explain it again. No issues. I'm ready to explain more than 4 times or 5 times. Until you're ready and until you understand the concept, I'm ready to say that. Yes, somebody asked me. Yes, can I do the code? Which language you prefer? First Java as usual, Python as usual. Yes? Okay. So let me do it. Any idea how I can do this? It's easy in Python actually. Right? Let me start with an alter function. I'm going to pass my array and I'm going to pass my x. Okay, it is not middle, it's not length. Okay. Now I'm going to find my middle value. Mid equal to len of my array divide by 2. Okay. And I'm going to count. Let it be my value as 0. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift to the middle element till it's not equal to x. Okay. While array of mid element is not equal to my x. This is my condition. Okay. And z is equal to array dot pop. Now what is a pop method, right? It will pop the first element. Correct. So I'm going to pop the value. And now if I see modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Array dot insert of 0 comma z. Else array dot append of z. C is equal to C plus 1. Okay, that's all my constraint is. Nothing rather than that. Okay, my is equal to, let me give you any example, 2, 8, 5, 9, 10. Okay, this is my array value and A is equal to A1 equal to first value I'm going to have it. Okay. And that is my x. Okay. So I'm sending the first value and my array. People who do not want, can you slowise your value, please? Okay. In my array. That's all. I got it. 9, 5, 2, 10, 8. Is it easy? So what I have done, I have passed my array value. I have passed my array values, okay, and my first value, which is nothing but 2. Okay, with this it is actually going inside. So array and what is my x value? Anybody can tell me what is my x value? 2. Correct, the first value. So it is coming inside. What is my length of my array? What is my length of my array? 5. Am I right? So 5 divided by 2 means what will I get it? Let me print my mid value. Will I get 3 or 4? 2. 2. Mid value is 2. Correct? So what will happen? My mid value is 2. So what it's actually doing? Until the first is becoming the mid value, it will keep on repeating the looping statement. So what is my mid value in 2? In 2 position, what I have? 5. Correct? 5 is not equal to what is my x value? 2. Condition true or false? Condition true. So it is going inside my looping statement. Z is equal to a dot pop of mid. So what is my mid value? Will be popped out. So that will be stored in my Z. So what is actually I'm doing here? C modulus 2. 0 modulus 2. What is my condition? Condition true or false? Condition true. So 0, it is going to the 0 position and inserting the value called 2. Am I right? So in 0 position, so automatically if I do append, what will happen? Other values will be shifted and that value will be added. Correct? Yes or no? So that's what it is being done. Okay? Again, what will happen? C is equal to C will become 1. Am I right? So again, it is going here. What is my mid value now? What is my mid value? Same 2 only, right? So again, what will happen? In 2 position, what I have now? So now the value is C is even or wrong. I'm not checking if it is 0 or 1. Okay? If it is 0 at first, 1 means end. Okay? My value will not become more than that. I'll repeat it again. First time my value is 5, not equal to 2, condition true. So it is popping the first element. Okay, whatever I have it in mid. So what is my mid element here? Correct? So it is repeating the second position valued element. So what will happen? That valued element will come here and that was inserted here. 0, comma, what is my Z position? Sorry, I have made it 2 here. Position is 2. So in position 2, 0, 1, 2. So I have 5 here, right? So what will happen? In 0 position, 5 is added. 2 will be here. 8 will be here. 9 will be here. 10 will be there. Okay. Again, what will happen? My C will become what? 1. So again, it is going here. What will happen here? What is my mid value now? In 2 position, what I have? In 2 position, what I have? 0, 1, 2. So 8. Which is not equal to 2. Condition true. So what will happen? In mid position, what I have? That will be 8. So what? See, 1 modulus 2, my answer is 0. Correct? It is 1 modulus 2. What is my answer? 1, which is not equal to 0. So at n, I'm appending the value. So what is my answer now? 5, 2, 9, 10, 8. Am I right? Again, it goes back. What is my mid value now? Again, in 2 position, what I have? 9. So 9 is not equal to 2. Condition true or false? So it is coming again back. What value will be popped out now? 9. So again, it will come. What is my C value now? 2. 2 modulus 2, my answer is 0. So what will happen? It goes and append value at here, right? So 9, 5, and 8. Correct? So here value will become 3. And now it is going up here. What is my mid value? 2 not equal to 2. Condition true or false? It is equal to true. Condition true or false? False. So it comes up. So hence I am getting the value this. You understand? So insertion will be even means at front, odd means at last. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Do you want me to repeat it again? Everybody clear? Okay, you want me to repeat it again? Okay, sure, I'll do it again. See, bro, this insertion is at middle, sorry, at front, and this insertion is at last. Alternative, right? First time it should be at first, second time it should be at last. Am I right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So even count and all will be at first, odd count will be at last. So that's what my logic I'm using here. If I'm getting first time, it is a even number, 0. Okay? Number. So even
Recording
0, I
in
will get
progress.
0. So that is my first place. So I'm taking 0. Yes, it is inserting. And again, my value will be iterated to 1. 1 is the odd count value. So last.
Recording in progress.
See, I want to travel first and last alternatively, right? That is the reason I'm using that one.
Okay.
You understand? Do you want this code?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll go for pseudocode. Okay? We have completed this, right? Tell me what will be the answer for this? Yes. So first what we are doing, everybody is saying 12. Some people have told it is 15. We'll first time. X minus 1. Am I returning anything else here? No. So what is my X value? 2, comma. What is my value there? X plus Y. So what is my X value? 3 plus 6. 9. Correct? So it is going here. And now what will happen? Now the value is 2 equal to 0. Condition fails. So it comes here. So now what will be answer? X minus 1, my 2 minus 1, my answer is 1. So 3 plus 9, my answer is 12. So it goes here. Okay. What is my answer? 1 equal to 0. Condition fails. So it comes up here. So now 1 minus 1, 0. So now what is my answer? 12. Got it? Every time the value is getting updated, it is not always 3. Correct? First time it is 3. So 9. Second time it is 2. Correct? So 11. Again it is 1. 2. It is. You understand? First time 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. So it again 9 plus 2. So hence my answer is 11. So again my answer is 1. So my answer is 2. So X is getting updated. Understood? Any doubts in the session? Any doubts? Shall we move on to the next question? Have we completed this question? Have we completed this question or we didn't? Please to respond. Okay. Tell me what is the answer for this. C. None of the mentioned option. Okay. Shall we trace it out? First time my value is what? What is my X value, P value and C value? Just a minute. A little bit. Okay, they didn't give P value, Q value and C value. Okay. So first time my Q value is set to 20 and now P from 2 to 6. Okay. So first time my P value is what? P value is 2. Okay. So Q is equal to 2 plus 2. So first time it will become 22. Correct? And now again it goes back. My P value will become 3. Correct? So Q is equal to Q plus P. So it is 20. What will happen? 5. Again it goes back. It will become 4. So 25 plus 4 it is 29. Again become 5. So 29 plus 5. My answer is 34. Then it will become 6. So what will happen? 34 plus 6. It is 40. Okay. So 40 divided by what is my answer? 8. Correct? That is, am I right? See, it is not printing R, ma'am. Of course, that is a mistake there, but they accepted it as R. Okay? Clear? Of course, they have. Simple mistakes and all, we cannot convert. So let us itself assume that it is R. Okay? So since it is giving us none of mentioned above, I can go on with this. But what is my R value? My R value is 8 only. There be a change. Okay? Correct? So yes, next. Answer for this. What is the answer for this? I have A value as 2, as A value as 2, B value as 3. We have to optimistic towards question, ma'am, at the team of question. Yes. See, this is not like our semester, right? They will give us value with if the question is wrong. Company will not specify it. If it is wrong, you would have corrected and give the answer. That is their approach. So we cannot go and tell them that it is wrong, it is right. Okay? So they will not give any extra marks and all. They'll not accept their failures also. Okay? So you, if it is wrong, correct it and give me the answer. That is their approach. Okay? So A and I have B. And in that previous question, I'll also go on with this one because none of the mentioned option is being given. So I can go on with this. Okay? Since they have given this option, I'm going on with this. If there is no option, no, then definitely I'll go on with the 8 only. Understood? Okay, tell me, what is my B value now? B is equal to 1. What is my B value? 3 equal to 1. Condition failed. It is coming here. What is my A value first time? It is 2. Yeah, we have done this question, right? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Okay, we'll go for the next question.